How to create your own playlist. If you are teaching a certain topic and you have found several jigs on that topic in Jigzi, create a playlist for your students. Start by clicking Create in the top menu to open Jigzi Studio. Now click Create a Playlist. You can now search for the jigs that you found on the topic that you are teaching. You can filter on language too. Drag the jigs into the playlist builder on the left. If you would like to reorder the jigs, simply click the three dots and move it up or down. Once you have the items that you want, create a cover for your playlist by clicking the first item in the builder. Choose a theme, or add your own images, type in a name for your playlist, and preview. When you are happy with the cover and order of the jigs in the playlist, you can publish it so that you can share it with your students. Give your playlist a name and description. This will help other teachers find this content too. Select the language, age range, and keywords. If you have a resource to attach, add it here. A resource can be a worksheet, a link, a poster, or even a lesson plan. Check that your thumbnail is good. If you want to edit it before publishing, simply click the pencil and edit. If everything looks ready, go ahead and publish your playlist. Play it. If you want to share the link to the playlist so that your students can work their way through it, click Share Playlist and make sure to select Share with Students. Share that link with your students in an email, WhatsApp, or Google Classroom. It is important to note you cannot track a student's progress in a playlist. And that's how you create a playlist.